Every dream, every fortune, every success story begins with desire. But desire alone is not enough. That desire must be shaped, molded, and turned into real, purposeful action. And that's exactly what organized planning is all about. In Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill explains that organized planning is the sixth step to riches, the moment when desire becomes real strategy. It all starts in the imagination. That's where desire takes its first breath. But from there, it needs structure. You must design a plan, a practical one, a flexible one, and most importantly, a plan that works. Hill teaches that one of the most vital parts of building a successful plan is to never do it alone. Instead, form a group of individuals, a mastermind alliance, made up of people whose skills, experience, and insight can help you shape your plan, challenge your thinking, and push your vision forward. No one succeeds in a vacuum. Not Ford, not Edison, not Carnegie. Every wealthy individual you admire used the power of other minds to support their mission. That's why Hill says forming a mastermind group is not optional. It is absolutely essential. But here's the key. You cannot expect others to support your vision without reason. You must offer them something of value in return. That value may not always be money. It might be opportunity, experience, influence, or shared success. But it must be something. No intelligent person will devote time, energy, or ideas to your vision without compensation of some kind. Once you've assembled your group, meet with them regularly, at least twice a week. Talk, plan, refine your ideas, strengthen your direction. Do not treat these meetings casually. Treat them like gold, because they are. What you are doing is building the foundation of your fortune, and you must do it with discipline, harmony, and unwavering focus. And there's another rule: maintain perfect harmony with your mastermind alliance. If tension, ego, or disunity creeps in, your plan will fall apart. The power of the mastermind principle depends on synergy. It cannot survive in conflict. Every great achievement, every large fortune is the result of organized planning. Random action will not make you rich. Wishing will not make you rich. Working hard without a plan will only exhaust you. Wealth is built through deliberate steps and intelligent decisions. And here is a lesson many overlook. Your first plan may fail. In fact, it probably will. That's not the end. It's the beginning of refinement. If your plan doesn't work, replace it with a better one. If that one fails, replace it again. Start over if you must. Keep building until something clicks. Thomas Edison tested over 10,000 different methods before finding the right material for the electric light bulb. 10,000 failures, 10,000 moments of temporary defeat. But he didn't stop. He changed the plan, but never the goal. That's what winners do. Too many people mistake temporary defeat for permanent failure. They try once, fail, and quit. But if your plan doesn't work, that only means the plan was wrong. Not you. Change the approach, not the goal. Adjust the sails. Don't abandon the journey. Henry Ford became one of the wealthiest men in history not because he had a superior mind, but because he had a sound plan and the courage to stick with it, revise it, and see it through. He faced defeat many times, even after his company had become successful. But each time, he returned with a new strategy, a new plan, and he pressed forward. Millions of people go through life stuck in struggle, not because they aren't smart, but because they lack a practical plan to build wealth. Education is important. Talent is important. But without a clear, tested, and revised plan, most dreams will stay dreams. James J. Hill had a vision to build a railroad stretching from east to west, but he faced rejection and financial setbacks at the start. He adjusted his approach, found new strategies, and built one of the most important transportation systems in American history. His defeat was temporary. His commitment was permanent. What you must understand is this: every great success story you've ever heard began with a person who hit roadblocks, suffered failures, and dealt with setbacks. But they didn't stop. They organized new plans. They adapted. They persisted. So if you want to achieve something big, whether it's wealth, business success, or a personal goal, don't just wish for it. Don't just work hard for it. Build a solid plan, and then build a better one, and another, until the path becomes clear. If your plan fails, it's a signal not to give up, but to improve. There is no shame in failing, but there is great shame in quitting. Quitting says, I didn't believe in the goal enough to find another way. Organized planning is the bridge between desire and achievement. It is the structure that gives your dreams the chance to live in the real world. If you're serious about success, start building a plan today. Test it, adjust it, strengthen it, and never, ever give up on it. Because when your desire is backed by a definite purpose, and your purpose is backed by organized planning, nothing can stop you but you. And that's the truth.